everyone. So again, ignore my nails. I've been traveling. And speaking of traveling, this is great for traveling with perfumes. So I know when you're traveling, you don't want to carry the huge 3.4 or larger ounce bottles. One, because you don't want to get hassled by TSA. And two, it's just super inconvenient. You want to save space. So this is an atomizer. This one is by Travalo, but you can get them off Amazon. You can get them anywhere. And I'm going to show you how to use it because I had a really difficult time figuring out how to use this bad boy right here. So it comes out the package. The top's going to be off. Of course, you can place the top on when you're done to keep it from dispersing in your bag. Don't mess with this. This is straight where I went to. Do not mess with this nozzle. You're going to go for the booty. Right at the bottom of the atomizer, this is where you want to go. So choose a fragrance, and it has to be a fragrance that it's possible to get this nozzle off. Some fragrances are a little bit harder to do this, some are a little bit easier. I'm going with this one because it's a lot easier, probably because it's a cheap fragrance. Place this little hole, sink it, line it up with this nozzle, make sure it's all the way in, and start pumping. I don't know if you can see, but it's going to start filling up the amount of juice that's in your atomizer. It's going to start pumping straight from the perfume. Once it gets to the amount that you would like, you don't have to do anything to seal it. It's going to stay enclosed, which is awesome. And then now you have your perfume. There you go. Pick one of these up if you can. It's a lifesaver. Check it out.